So I'm on
Continue on West Main Street for 1 mile.
I'm gonna get over one lane to the left. And when you're driving this bigger vehicle, your perspective is different. So I'm just taking my time, checking traffic. And I'm really off the gas. I'm really looking ahead. Petrol's not that bad here. I'm at a half a tank. So, but once we get loaded up with all the equipment, the props, the lights, the cameras, whatever else this content creator has, I'm gonna get less mileage. So I'm just taking my time. At Salon, I need to make a left, so I'm looking ahead, taking my time. We got our double yellow here. We can't cross this line. We have broken white, so we can make a lane change, but this is telling me I need to make a left soon. So I'm just letting gravity pull me down. It's a lot more to think about when you're driving a larger vehicle than a car. A warning sign telling us it's a sharp curve around to the right. So I'm just taking my time. This is a rental. I have to put down $250 and I'll get that
in a quarter
back.
Mile, turn left onto Solon Street.
So I'm looking, so I gotta pass this. I can't make a left here. I hate when these cars just pull out. It's really like, see how they pull it out? Man, that's really dangerous. Okay, so at this street I have to make a left. And I'm gonna go ahead and get in once it's open.
Turn left onto Solon Street.
Okay, man. You can really see this vehicle is so huge, it fills the whole space. So I'm gonna go up, and this is a protected left turn. So I'm gonna wait here. So I got a blinking yellow. I'm just gonna wait. Oh, gotta get my blinker back on. And I'm just waiting. I'm gonna be very patient. I understand why truckers hit, so, oh, nope, there's my gap. I'm gonna wait. I'm just moving forward. I'm not real familiar with this vehicle, so I'm not just gonna hit the gas and pull out. I'm not trying to have an accident. So it's starting to get clear now. Then I'm gonna go up. And then there's a good hand-over-hand turn. Back onto a one-way.
Continue on Solon Street for half a mile.
All right. I don't want to hit that vehicle, so another urban area, one way, taking my time. Temperatures in the middle, tachometers around 1100.
In a quarter mile at the traffic circle, take the second exit and stay on Solon Street.
Second exit. Just taking my time. Cars love tailgating larger vehicles. All right, so I gotta squeeze my brakes. And yield. And then I'm gonna go in and around. I hope this is right.
In 500 feet at the traffic circle, continue straight onto Howard Street.
Whew, that was a little stressful. Said continue on straight to Howard. So I'm gonna yield. I look left and right. Okay, and it says stay to Howard, so I'm staying to the right.
In 1,000 feet, turn right at Valley Road.
Valley Road. Stay learning, okay. Just looking around, taking my time. They're going fast.
Turn right at Valley Road.
So, this is Valley Road. Going in real easy, looking, and I'm gotta go a little bit wide. All right. All right. And because my vehicle is much larger, I'm trying to be mindful and just keep space. I'm just looking around.